Hi everyone, welcome to Vishwa Blooms. So in this video, we'll be looking at Rational Numbers Class 8 NCERT Chapter 1 Exercise 1.2. So let's begin. So let's start with first question. So first question is represent the numbers in number line. So first is 7 by 4. So how to represent 7 by 4 on the number line? First, one number line must be drawn, right? So this is a rough one. You should draw using your scale and pencil. Now you will have in middle, right? First 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the number line, right? On the right hand side we have positive and the left hand side we have negative, and middle we are having 0. So denominator for this number is 4, right? So 4 is the denominator. So for everything we are going to put by 4. Let's do it. So this is done. Now here you can see 4 by 4. So what is the value of 4 by 4? So 4 ones are 4 ones are. So 1 is the value, right? So here this point you can just put it 1. Now where is 7 by 4 here? This is 7 by 4. Box it. If required, star it also. Okay. So this is the answer. Now we will see the second question. So second question is minus 5 by 6. So first in the same way one number line we will draw. Then we will put 0 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on LHS minus 1, minus 2, and so on we will do it. So I think you understood how to put this. Then afterwards, what is the denominator? 6 is the denominator. So for everything by 6 you will put. So as put in here. Now minus 5 by 6 is here. So box it and star it. Okay. This is the answers. Now we will see second main. So we have to represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So for that we need one number line, right? Yeah. So all are negative, you can observe, right? Minus, minus and minus. So what we will do, we will put more of my negative side, and on the positive we'll put very less. Like now here also I can take 0, right? Here I'll take 1. Okay, let's do it. And on the LHS let's fill with minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Yeah, so what we will do, now everything numbers are written, so by 11 we will write, that's it. Okay, let's do it. Now minus 11 by 11 is minus 1. Okay, now minus 2 by 11 is here, star it. Minus 5 by 11 is here, star it. Minus 9 by 11 is here, star it. Done. So the second one is also done. Now we will see third one. So third question is we have to write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So it can be negative numbers and positive numbers which are lesser than 2. So this is not a fixed answer. You can have 1, 1 by 2. Then 0 is also there. Minus 1, minus 1 by 2. So these are not fixed. You can write even minus 11, minus 5. So that's why this answer is not fixed. So check it on your own. Okay, now we will see fourth one. Now fourth question is that we have to find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So first thing what we have to do is we have to make denominators the same. Right, this is the first step what we have to do. So for first one it is minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2, right? So for that we need to find the LCM for it. So how to find LCM between 5 and 2? 5 ones are and 2 like that only, 2 ones are. So 5 twos are is 10. So 10 is the LCM. Okay, so what we will do now, minus 2 by 5 is there. into something is equal to, the denominator will be 10, right? So 5 2s is 10, no? Then the numerator also, it should be multiplied with the same number which you are multiplying for denominator. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. Now 1 by 2 is there into what gives the denominator 10. So 2 5s is 10, right? On the numerator also same number what you have used in denominator must be multiplied. Then 1 5s is 5. So the numbers between minus 4 and 5 by 10 you have to write. So what are all the numbers between them? But before that, what we have to do is see. Now you have to get more numbers. So in case if we get less numbers, it's gonna be tough for us. So for that, what we will do, we will use the formula n plus 1. Okay, so how many numbers we have to find? Actually 10 rational numbers, right? So that is n. So 10 plus 1. So n plus 1, a value is 11. So for 4 by 10 into 11 by 11 we should multiply. Then you will get more number of rationals in between them. So minus 44 by 110 and 5 by 10 into 11 by 11 is equal to 55 by 110. Clear? So for between these two we can find. We will write in the next sheet. So between these two numbers we will get many only, right? So any 10 you can write. Now I am writing like some 45 by 110. Then I can write 46 by 110. It need not be consecutive. Now I can write even 50 by 110 also in middle. It's okay, no problem. 49 by 110, 47 by 110, 48, right? 48 by 110. Then 52 by 110, 53 by 110. So 1 2 3 4 5. Next 8 we have written, right? Now we can write 0 by 110 also we can write. Okay, so no issues with that. Now we can also write 54 by 110, 46 by 40. I can write even 44, right? Yes, that's it. So between these two we can write in number of rationals, right? So now we will see fifth question. So in the fifth question we have to find 5 rational numbers between the 3 subdivisions. So I thought before that we have to see that, right? N plus 1 formula I thought we can substitute in the first only. So n value will be 5 because 5 rationals we have to find. So 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So remember this first, then we will see the question. First question is 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So first what we have to do, make the denominators the same. So 2 by 3, what is the LCM? 5 into 3, 15. Into what makes the denominator 15. So 3 5s is 15 and up also same number. So 2 5s is 10. Now 4 by 5 into what gives us the denominator of 15. Now 5 3s is 15, 4 3s is 12. Clear? So now between these two we have to find, but there are not 5 rational numbers between these two. So 6 we have to multiply. So 10 by 15 into 6 by 6, which makes it 60 by 90. And that one 12 by 15 into, it's not right. So I wrote the continuation only in the new sheet. So 12 by 15 into 6 by 6 is 15 6 is 90 and 12 6 is 72. So here what we can do, now we can find 5 rational numbers between them, right? So 5 rationals are, you can write any number from 60 to 72. So 61 by 90, 62 by 90, 63 by 90, 64 by 90 and 65 by, sorry, yeah, even 68 also it's fine, no problem. 68 by 90. Clear? This is the answer for first bit. Now we will see the second bit, how to solve. So next question is minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3. So first here also denominators you have to make same. Now minus 3 by 2 into LCM is 6 here, okay, is equal to what makes denominator 6. Now 2 3s are 6 and numerator also 3 only we are supposed to multiply. So minus 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. And now 5 by 3 into what makes the denominator 6. So 3 2s are is 6. So 5 2s are also, 5 2s are is 10. Now, so we have 5 rational numbers between these two. So we can directly write 5 q's between them. So you are supposed to write 5 rational numbers between this minus 3 by 2 and 5 by 3 are what? So are what they are? Minus 8 by 6, minus 7 by 6, 0 you can write, 1 by 6 you can write, 2 by 6 you can write. Okay, this is the second bit. Now we will see third bit. Okay, third bit, it is 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. So here also 1 by 4 and 1 by 2 denominator should be LCM is 4. So 1 by 4 into 1 by 1 is same, right? So it is 1 by 4 only it is going to be. Now for 1 by 2 LCM is 4, okay? What makes denominator 4? So 2 2s is 4 and 1 2s is 2. Right, now so we have to find rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 2 by 4. See, 1 by 4 and 2 by 4, how tough it is, right? So we have to multiply 6 by 6 as discussed previously, the 10 plus 1. So if you forgot, you have to go back and rewind, or you didn't note it, you have to rewind. Okay, so 6 1s is 6 and 6 4s is 24. Now here 2 6 are 12 and 6 4s are 24. So now we are having 5 rational numbers between them, right? So 5 rational numbers between them are 7 by 24, 8 by 24, 9 by 24, 10 by 24 and 11 by 24. So these are 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Now we will see next main. Sixth question is that we have to find 5 rational numbers which are greater than minus 2. So you can write minus 1 is greater, right? And 0 is also greater, 1 by 2 is greater, 1 is greater, 2 is greater, 3 is greater than minus 2. So I wrote 5 only exactly. So you can write even 100, 200, anything you can write. Okay, so that is up to you. How many you want to write, you can write. But you write 5. Any 5 you write. Okay. Now we will see the 7th question. So in this question, what we have to do is, we have to find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. This is 7th one. So how to find? First, we'll make the denominators the same. So how to make? First, what is the LCM between 5 and 4? It is 20. So 3 by 5 into what makes the denominator 20? So 5 4s is 20. So 3 4s is 12. Now 3 by 4 into what makes the denominator 20? So 4 5s are right. So 3 5s is 15. Okay. So you can see that 12 and 15, how many rationals are there? 13, 14. So only 2 are there, but we have to find 10. So now only 2 we have, means if I multiply with 8, I will surely get some 10, right? So when I made the LCM only equal, that time I had two rational numbers between. Now when I multiply those with 8, then I will surely get 10 rational numbers between them. Yeah. So instead of doing n plus 1, because n plus 1 gives a big number, that is 11. So we have to multiply each and everything with 11, means it's just time waste. So we can multiply with 8 also. So let's do. So 12 by, sorry, yeah, so now this 12 by 20 into 8 by 8 I am going to do. So what is the answer here? It is going to be 96 by 160, and here 15 by 20 into 8 by 8, then you will get 120 by 160. So n plus 1, if you do also, it is correct only, it's not wrong. Then you will get different answers. So this chapter, this exercise, you will get different numbers when you are finding numbers between them. So because there are infinite between 1 and 2 also, there are infinite rational numbers, right? So this is the thing, that 96 by 160 and 120 by 160. How many we are having? Many, right? So let's utilize some of them. I'll write a next sheet. Now 10 rational numbers for them will be, I can take 97 by 160, 98 by 160, 99 by 160, even 100 by 160, 110 by 160, 111 by 160, then 101 by 160. So I'm not going in order, that's why it is like that. 102 by 160, 103 by 160. How many over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 104 by 160. So 10 are over. And also we completed this exercise and we completed the chapter also. Thanks for watching our video. Do like, share and subscribe to Vishwa Blooms. So bye for now.